got you just as you were... lounging in your pajamas?
Just leave me alone to wallow in my filth and self-pity.
Oh, dude, gross.
I'm afraid Dr. Eggman has been acting quite peculiar since firing that sore fellow.
So he's not planning something huge and diabolical?
Quite the contrary. The only thing he's planning is marathoning through Season 4 of Hedgehog Abbey.
I took the lift up to the barrister's flat to give him some biscuits, but he threw them right into the dustbin.
Poppycock! The barrister's a twit!
Oh, no, he didn't!
This is the life. No Eggman, no worries. I'm so bored. Hey, Tails, need any help?
Not really. Just cleaning some sand out of the gaskets.
Oh, so you want to race?
Sorry, Sonic. I'm kind of busy here.
Oh, come on, race you to the end of the island. Ready, go!
Hey, my papers!
I win! Whoa, way to make a mess while I was gone.
Steady. Steady.
Max!
No!
I wonder what Amy's doing. What you painting?
A picture to commemorate the anniversary of the first time I painted a picture.
Eggman! Oh, it was just a tree branch.
Sonic, please be careful. This is 100% organic fair trade paint. It's very expensive and very green.
It looks more like pink to me. What was that? I know that's Eggman. He's out there, watching, lurking, watching some more, then lurking, then breaking for lunch, then lurking more.